EBS Kids.
I'm from a rainforest.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Mo. Are you ready to play with me? Good, come on, let's go! Is everyone here with me? Good. Huh? What is it?
Hello, Mr. Mo. I am an alligator. I live in a rainforest.
Rainforest?
Yes, I live in a rainforest. And... Oh!
Oh no! Alligator!
Help!
What happened? Hey, look! It's the Arctic, or the Iceland.
Hello, Mr. Mo. I am a polar bear. I live in an Iceland.
Oh, Iceland.
Yes, I live in an Iceland and...
Oh no! What's happening? Oh,
Hello, Mr. Mo. I am a camel. I live in a desert.
wow, a desert.
Yes, I live in a desert and...
Oh, no! What's going on? Oh no! Okay, calm down, calm down. Guys, we have to go. Come on!
Meanie.
Tiny?
Mo!
Miny Mo. Let's play boom boom boom. Yeah. Miny Mo. Let's play Jim Jim Jim. Miny Mo.
Let's pick the right one.
Miny Mo.
Yeah! Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mr. Mo.
Oh, something's wrong. Someone took the animals.
Oh?
What? Who did that?
I don't know who did it.
Look!
Mr.
Mo,
please help!
Huh? Alligator? Polar bear? Camel? Oh, no.
This is...
Be quiet! Be quiet!
Oh, animals? Oh, no.
Wait, I know who she is.
Huh?
She is Mrs. Evil. She is really bad. She took all the animals.
I need animals!
Oh, no. I'll go and help them.
Yeah, good luck!
Thanks, Zini.
I wanna go home.
Alligator, where are you from?
I'm from the rainforest. It's hot, very hot, but I have many friends, and I love the rainforest. I want to go home.
Me too.
Where are you from, polar bear?
I'm from an Iceland. It's cold, very cold. but I have many friends. I love the Iceland. I want to go home.
Me too.
Where are you from, Camel?
I'm from a desert. It's very hot, but I have many friends. I love the desert.
Oh,
I want to go home. I want to go home.
Hey, friends!
Mr. Mo.
Shh! I'll help you. Come on!
Who are you?
Oh! Oh no! Okay! Yeah! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Okay, animals, I'll take you to your hometown. Miney!
Okay.
Okay, friends, let's go!
Okay.
Let's go to the rainforest. Be happy in the rainforest. Let's go to the Iceland. Be happy in the Iceland. Let's go to the desert. Be happy in the desert.
Thank you, Mr. Mo.
You did a good job, Mr. Moo.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you.
친구들, 미스터 모가 동물 친구들을 모두 구해냈어. 정말 잘 됐지?
예.
그런데 친구들, 미시즈 이블은 어떻게 됐는지 아니?
Mrs. Evil, you're under arrest.
Oh, no.
I called the police.
Wow! Good job, Eenie! Good job! Oh, Eenie! High five! Oh.
Think and play.
Oh, no. It's too hot. Please take me home.
Polar bear, where are you from?
I'm from an Iceland.
Sorry, try again. Good job.
Yeah, I live in an Iceland.
Polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bears live in an Iceland.
Oh no, it's too cold. Please take me home.
Camel, where are you from?
I'm from a desert.
Good job.
Yeah, I live in a desert.
Camel. Camel, Camels live in a desert.
Eeny, meeny,
Mo!
Friends, are you having fun?
Yeah!
Great. Now it's time to play with this wheel.
Oh, wow! Looks great!
Friends, where is this place? It's very, very hot, and it has many, many trees. Where is it?
Rainforest!
Yep, it's a rainforest. Now, how about this place? Ooh, it's very, very cold, and it has a lot of ice. Where is it?
Iceland!
Yes, an Iceland. We also call it the Arctic. Now, what about this? Where is it? It's a
Desert!
desert. Good job. Now, look at these friends. Let's try to find where these animals live. First of all, a penguin. Hi, everyone. I'm a penguin. I live in a cold place. Do I live in the desert?
No!
No. Then do I live in the Iceland?
Yeah!
Yes. A penguin lives in the Iceland.
Wow!
Yeah, good job. Now, let's choose the monkey.
Hello, monkey. Where are you from?
Oh, I am from a rainforest. Do you know where a rainforest is? Is it here?
No!
No. Is it here?
Yeah!
Yes. Yeah! Good job, friends. Now, let's play all together.
Lizard, lizard, where are you from? Desert, 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 desert. I'm from a desert. Alligator, alligator, where are you from? Rainforest, rainforest. I'm from a rainforest. Walrus, walrus, where are you from? Iceland, 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 Iceland. I'm from an Iceland.
Wow! Wow! Bravo! Good job!
Enie's Library! Hello, friends. Do you remember this book? Yeah, it was a very interesting story. Let's read it again with a song. Wow! What's that? It's a ship, a very big ship. Wow!
Look over there, there are 3 children. They look very different from each other. What shall I do? Shall I run away? Shall I say hello?
right, it's time to say goodbye. Next time, we will meet friends from different countries. See you next time!